up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hello, my name is Erin. It's so nice to meet you. Today's video is going to be my updated everyday makeup routine. I am a brunette now, it is fall, so a lot of things have changed and I've kind of gone in a different direction with how I like to do my makeup. Normally I focus heavily on bronzer because I just feel like with blonde hair you want to look like you're glowing constantly and super tan. But now that I'm a brunette, I like to keep it kind of simple and feminine. So if you are interested in how I got to this look, please keep watching.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. fire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
I told you guys this look was going to be super easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.